Very good evening. What's up, everyone? Meghalaya Shillong Khasi North to East. Kublo Shibong. Kublo Pilong Paralog. Welcome back, everyone.
Namaste.
And today we are going to end this story of Khasi Underrated and Overrated artist or musician of Meghalaya, guys. We are going to be very honest with you guys, because we have our favorite musician. We can see here like wanbhaa is there, and Jessie is there. Jessie Lyndoh is also there. So myself, like, I'm big fan of wanbhaa, like, I'm not going to lie, but I'm going to see the part where they're going to say if it's overrated or underrated. I'm going to give my honest review. He will also be with me. If I lie, he will tell the truth. Okay?
For sure, for real, man.
Yeah, so this is Mohib from Garo.
Yes.
He's from Garo. He knows how to speak Garo.
Very
and
well.
I'm from Meghalaya.
Khasi.
I know how to speak Khasi, very fluent, guys. But
Yeah, man.
I want you guys to learn English. That is why we are speaking in English. So today's video is Khasi Underrated and Overrated musician. Let's go subscribe now, because soon we are coming.
If you did not subscribe from now,
You will forget. Just subscribe now. We are giving you 2 seconds. 1,
3 seconds.
2, 3. So that you don't forget.
Let's jump right in.
Don't forget, soon we are coming to Meghalaya, guys. And this video we are going to make it 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, so that it will not be boring.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe. Let's go.
Not from Africa.
Yes.
Lada D-bok Shamat yakat Lada peace new book Kyntien Ksiar abaye Bila mong yang na
Share.
Sim kadam jing shisha He wan chon shab hajing em jonga Kum usem peling punong Jali oh jado Pikang shu ang Jali oh jado Pikle yang akin
Easy, my guy.
Wait.
Hold on a minute,
Before going, guys, we have to clear this. We have our son and the first guy, guys.
Yeah.
So what do you think? You first tell us.
The first one.
The first one.
Underrated.
The first guy is called Desmond. They are saying it's underrated and Unsan is overrated. Is that true or no? First?
No, I will not accept it.
Yes.
Because he's our guy. We used to react to his videos.
Yeah.
So he's not overrated at all.
I support that. Unsan is not overrated. The guy, see guys, maybe, I don't know. First, I will prove you with 2 things. First, his music video has a lot of views.
Yes.
And secondly, so many people love to listen to his music in every place, every picnic.
And they enjoy
Okay,
it.
they enjoy it. And secondly, guys, his music is shared by every people, even the youth, the old people, like they love him.
Yes.
If it's overrated, why will those people do that?
Why does those
I
people
don't know
support
about Desmond. Let's say if Desmond is underrated, guys, and you know, guys, he's talented, why his music can't reach people out? I don't know much about him, but nowadays, media can tell everything. If something is nice, people will watch it and share it.
Views will never lie to you.
Yeah.
The views.
People can never lie also, guys. So tell us, is that true or no? Me,
So if he's
Aun San,
overrated,
yes. Aun San, tell us, guys, what do you think about Aun San? Aun San is good for us. He should be overrated. He should not forget of overrated. He's good comparison to this. Let's go to the next.
Ngatemen rendeng apa ai kamai kaya na dak pule ba Mentorekani ba ay belah.
Baring, Kakami ready. You know this song. This song of Paul Baring currently is the most famous and most viewed song recently in Meghalaya.
Yeah, nowadays.
It's having like almost 8 million in 2 months. And compare it to Kind Palm. What do you think about that guy he was singing? You want to see it? What do you think?
He's overrated.
They are saying here, they are saying who is overrated? Harmony, the one of Bol Baring.
No.
Okay.
He's not.
Let's talk about.
He's not.
It's not overrated, right?
Yes.
Yeah. For me, okay. The first guy, I'm not saying is bad, guys. The way he sounds, like, okay, music is, there's something we have to understand in music. Some people, when they sing, they give the ginger, the vibe. Their song like their song will make you just to jump like this.
You just find yourself like you are.
You will just love the song. Maybe
you just dance.
See, for you to love the song, maybe you love the song like nowadays there's Amapiano song.
Yes.
Most of the people they love Amapiano because of what? Because of the beat.
Because of the beat.
Because of the beat. The vibe of the beat.
You find yourself.
So it's okay sometimes. It's not because of the meaning. Meaning will always come first, but some people they love the beat. If your beat of the song is nice, they will go for it, right? Yes. So for harmonic, I can see the harmonic song, guys. His beat is always so nice. His song also give you the ginger.
I used to listen from him more than twice.
Yeah,
I used to repeat it again and again.
Harmonic,
I like the music.
Harmonic song is so good, guys.
Yeah.
It gives you the vibe. It makes the people to stand up and dance. And Kyntien Ksiar, guys, is so good. Like honestly, his song is so good. The flow, like he look talented, he sound talented. But
by nature,
yeah, naturally he's talented. But the beat is so down, bro. Raise your beat, bring nice beat, bro. Make ginger, make something.
Let us flow.
Do something heat like those Monmi, Johnny and Monmi, guys. Tell us what do you think. Let's go.
Durba priuba sejugo yang avi no tang si tempor yang aba pi shulekai shugan yanai Durba priuba sejugo
Wanbhaa forever, man. Wanbhaa only.
Wanbhaa today.
Wanbhaa today, tomorrow, and forever.
Yaman.
You can't compare Wanbhaa
with this guy. Obviously not.
Khraw Umdor.
When you are talking about Wanbhaa, that means no nonsense. Finish. I'm telling you, my guy.
Wanbhaa one, guys. We don't know about that. We don't know about Khraw
We don't want to know.
I want to know. Tell me about Khraw Umdor. You can suggest me some.
If Wanbhaa this side, I don't care about the other side.
That is too unfair. It's being too unfair, guys.
Boss, Nanoma, he's my guy. I used to listen to his music. We used to react. We used to make reels for him. So by nature, he's have the talent.
Why Wanbhaa is now trending in Meghalaya? Guys? You should ask yourself first. Not before. You want to tell me Wanbhaa just recently started singing? No. He have been singing for long years back, right?
Yeah. Yes,
but maybe he knew the type of song, the vibe, the beat, the lyrics. The vibe is giving. It's not working out. So he came out with something new. Like you see Doi Doi, his song, New Doi Doi. And
that song.
And Duki Duki now. They're trending because he knew what people want nowadays, what the market wants.
Like he's forget about he knew. He's just bring something new.
Yes,
that's
always
all people. All people they used to love to see something like. If you are seeing every day, it will be normal for you. But when he brings something new, people will be curious to know more, right? So that's what we are feeling right now.
Yeah,
so
that's why Wanbhaa is trending.
I'm support fully for Wanbhaa.
And whenever he posts music, everyone wants to see. Because people were doubting him, guys. But now he understood the game of the music. I don't know about Khraw Umdor. Tell me about Khraw Umdor, guys. According to the song here, featured here, guys, the song is... Like the flow is good, but the song is just, I feel like it's kind of a sad song.
Which is very true.
It's like sad song.
Yeah, man.
I think it's a love song, but it's still making me sad. Yeah. They can tell the truth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is true.
Come and tell the truth.
Tell us, guys. So this is what we can think about it. We are going to make this is part 1 of this music video. We'll continue part 2 if you guys will
like it and leave your comment, drop your comments, so that
guys.
You understand.
wanbhaa forever, guys. Love you all. Yes, that is it, guys.
wanbhaa Club,
yeah, my local production forever.